Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to unrestrict on Messenger. So if you have restricted some users on your Facebook Messenger, and now you want to unrestrict all of them or one of them, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to unrestrict on Messenger, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app. Click on the menu button at the bottom right. Locate and click on Settings. Now, under your settings, locate and click on Privacy and Safety. Once you've selected Privacy and Safety, scroll down until you see Who Can Reach You and click on Restricted Accounts. Now, to unrestrict on Messenger, all you need to do is click on the user you want to unrestrict, like this. Then tap Unrestrict. Then you should see Unrestricting. Then this particular user will be unrestricted. Then you cannot go back again. Repeat this on all the users you want to unrestrict on your Facebook Messenger. So just click on the user's name, click on Unrestrict, and you should see Unrestricting, Unrestricted. So you need to repeat this on all the users you've restricted on your Facebook page to unrestrict them. And you have to give this a time until you say User Unrestricted. So that is exactly how to unrestrict on Messenger. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.